Hi guys, so excuse my attire. I am literally about to go to the gym in a bit. That's why I'm just repping the athleisure and I look a mess. So ignore that. But I just got my wirehead package in the mail. So I want to open this right away. I'm gonna do a proper explanation of the design and the review and chords and all of that fun stuff in a future clip. This clip will probably be inserted somewhere in the video. But yeah, I'm just too impatient and I want to see it right now. I thought about waiting a couple days and I was like, no. So, sorry I don't look very kawaii. This took about a month to get here, roughly. There's also winter storms in my area, so that didn't help. Okay, here it is. Thank you. It says thank you. Also, if any of this video looks strange, I am using an app that is to brighten my face. So I don't know if there's a major filter on this. I don't know, but if it looks weird at any moment, that's why. I just didn't want to be looking that much of a mess, but I'm not putting makeup on right now. So I've been really admiring this shop on Instagram, and if you like old school stuff, they have really, really beautiful pieces that are all handmade and super skilled. I'm so excited. Okay. This is what it comes with, a little thank you note. Very cute. It's in a really cute post-it note. I love this art piece. This is a post, well, it's a postcard shape. I guess it could just, yeah, you can use it as a postcard, but I'm gonna hang it up somewhere around here because it's really cute. Yeah, I really like this art. It says wirehead and velvet syrup. Very cute. I really like that. I am just a sucker for drawings as the subject matter is the drawing and the background's a photograph. I do that with some of my stuff too. I just think it's so cool. I really love this piece. And it also comes with a little wirehead sticker. It's really cute. I really like their logo. I think it's really cool and super old school. So yeah, sorry I look a mess, guys. I'm a mess. Okay, so I got this skirt. It's very beautiful. I love Goblin stuff. I don't own a whole bunch of Goblin. I used to have a I can't remember what brand it was. I think it was a Jane Marple or Emily Temple Cute Goblin dress that was really cute, but it was pretty long and I never ended up wearing it as much because it was very winter heavy and it was just a little bit harder for me to wear. So I'm excited to have this piece. It's so pretty. Wow. Okay, I'm really excited because the length looks really nice. Ooh, yeah, I'm excited to put this on. Yeah, this is really beautiful. And it's obviously it's Goblin, so it's heavier, but it's not ridiculously heavy, and it feels flexible and soft, which is nice because I feel sometimes some Goblin stuff can be oh my god, my hair is crazy. Some Goblin stuff can be really stiff. So that's really cool. The lace is beautiful. I'm gonna do a whole proper rundown, but this is just my first reaction and I'm really excited about it, and the lining's really nice. Yes, I'm very happy. And my best friend got the same one, so we're gonna twin, and so I hope we can take pictures together in this. I think that'll be really cute to do a twinning cord, so I'm excited. Thanks guys for everything. And I'll see you in a proper video.
Many months later.
Hi guys, so I'm back in actual dressed up format, and I'm wearing the wire head skirt right now, and it is amazing. The quality of the skirt is just so nice. It's definitely worth the price. I am wearing it and I've worn it most of the day, and it's been like super not that bad for the fact that it's really warm out today. It was like in the 70s and it's still not terrible to wear. um, so it is a Goblin piece, and you'd think it'd be like super heavy in a way where you wouldn't be able to wear it in warm weather, but it was actually fairly flowy and nice. It is heavier, like it does feel heavier, but it's not like wool or something where it's like itchy and super insulating. I love this piece. I love the colors in it. I really like the fact that it's like a bunch of green and blue. I feel like that's kind of different from for a lot of common Goblin patterns. I feel like usually it's like reds and maybe purple and brown and obviously like green and stuff is in there, but I feel like it's a little bit unique. It does make me think more of summer and spring, which is kind of what I like about it. And I just think that the like actual fabric pattern is really beautiful. The lace is just beautiful. I love the thick chunk of lace on the bottom of it, and I love the length. I don't remember the exact length measurements, I'll put them on the screen, but I was kind of worried as someone who's like 5'2"-ish. I'm on the shorter end, and a lot of Alita pieces sometimes can hit me at this weird length that makes me not like the way it looks on me as much. I do prefer shorter skirt lengths, not just because of the fact that I'm short, but because I just like the appearance of my legs looking longer in it. So yeah, I actually really like the way like the length hits me on my legs. So I'll show you guys more of that, but I'm currently wearing my first outfit coordinate that I put together for this skirt, as I'm going to put 3 pieces together, well 3 coordinates. This one is more of a casual coordinate. I did wear a more fancier shoe, which is not usually like me, but I did get these shoes back in like December, and they're really cute. They're just off-brand, and I really like the color of them. They're very like 60s looking to me, and I kind of did this weird color combination of pulling red into this outfit, even though obviously the print has blues and greens, but wore this milk cutso, and I just thought it was kind of cool that has this like small red little touch of red into it, and I just thought it looked kind of cool with this, so I kind of just pulled out red. And then I got these berries. I'm going to do an outfit breakdown and just do talkovers for that now, and I'll see you at the end. Okay, so this is my more experimental casual cord. Like I had mentioned, I took the milk cutso and I used that as my form of bringing in a different color. I also used this plaid off-brand purse to kind of make that color more prominent. I also used these under the knee sock Baby the Starshine Bright logo socks, which I think added a nice touch, and then a red headdress, and then a red cherry bodyline wrist cuffs, which I thought were really cute. Actually, I think they're strawberries, but yeah, this is the first cord. Okay, rolling into the second cord, I tried to do even more casual, and this is the one that I did where I twinned with my friend virtually, which we will hopefully do in person soon. But I am wearing this Baby the Starshine Bright cutso with a old meta purse and some Baby the Starshine Bright wrist cuffs, some Baby the Starshine Bright under the knee socks, the same ones as the last cord, just in black, some old vintage Skechers sandals, and a Baby the Starshine Bright headdress, which this is very heavily Baby the Starshine Bright, but you know, it's one of my favorite brands, so. But yeah, I really liked this cord. I thought it was really cute and casual and super great for the springtime. And this is the last finale cord, which is arguably my favorite one. It's a little bit more aristocrat or goth kind of inspiration, vintage stuff. Basically, this is a vintage blouse, probably from the 70s or 80s. It's like a very light green that matches very closely to the skirt, which I thought was cool. And then this fake faux velvet waistcoat thing, vest, that was from Cider. And then these really cute boots that I love. They're like high top boots that I got ages ago. And then a Baby the Starshine Bright heart bag. Oh, I almost forgot. I'm also wearing a handmade crochet lace headdress that I bought from somebody a couple years ago. It's very nice. Oh yeah, I also did like green eyeshadow because of the color of this, and I thought it was kind of cool. So that was my makeup, but I put my hair up in pigtails because I didn't really know what else to do with it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I know this video took a while to get out and I apologize. Again, I'm not on a steady schedule for video uploading. I don't know when, if, or what if I'm going to make a schedule ever, so I don't ever want people to think that I'm promising a consistent schedule. Unfortunately, I am just not in a place right now where I can be consistent in uploading videos. I don't have as much free time as I did when I was more active, and especially during the weekdays, it's just extremely busy for me. So I really want to continue to like post super consistently like I used to post like once a week. I just don't know if that would happen because I'm just in a crazy time. But I do hope that you enjoy the videos that I post whenever I'm able to post them, and I appreciate you guys watching, and I hope you enjoyed. Let me know if you guys have ever bought from Wirehead or plan on buying from one of their releases. I'm super happy with this. Because I was so happy with this, I purchased a JSK actually earlier today that I'm really excited to get. So yeah, let me know what you guys think. And thanks again. Bye.